So about to head out for a hike. And as luck would have it, it's looking kind of rough. The storms are moving in. And it's going to be a rough night to be in the tent. But that's all part of the fun. What's this trailhead called? FS 500 trailhead. We're starting a section of the Pinhoti Trail. Coming in on Thursday and going to leave on Sunday. Entering quality deer management, but restrictions apply. We have no intentions of shooting any animals. There's the trailhead and there's the first marker down there. This 500 road runs through the Talladega National Forest, pretty much north and south. And here's the railroad crossing that goes up to the Ranger Center. Let's do it. Here we are, it's Pinhoti. We're at the Shoal Creek Ranger Station, Talladega National Forest. There it is. This map's a little out. You see the trail markers are blue on Pinhoti. Great little trail. Good little section here between the Ranger Station and Burns Trailhead. I think we got about 30, 35 miles, something like that. It's gonna be a blast. It's not supposed to rain tomorrow, but it is about to rain tonight. Thunderstorms. It's gonna be a mess. Here we go. So we're on the Pinhoti Trail. We started at Forest Service Road 500, and we're heading up the mountain to get to a campsite somewhere at the top, maybe an hour and a half hike. It's probably 2-3 miles to the top, and then we'll camp there. I think I said it. It's called, I think it's Bird in the Nest campsite. But there's supposed to be some storms tonight, so we'll have to deal with that. And then tomorrow it's supposed to be nice after about noon, and then we'll have better weather Saturday and Sunday. Hello, Mr. Turtle. We will not bother you. Alright, let's keep going. bird is that?
Whippoorwill.
A whippoorwill?
You hear him saying? Whippoorwill. Whippoorwill. That's where his name comes from. If I had a turkey call, we did it fire.
Oh, that's a great place.